Hey, my subbies. I'm here with another DIY, and it's going to be a gift basket. And this gift basket is going to be for a guy. It's going to be for him for any occasion, whether it be his birthday, his anniversary, Christmas, Father's Day, anything. This gift is perfect for any guy. So I wanted to go ahead and make it because I'll be giving this to my husband for his birthday. But I wanted to share with you guys to give you an idea of a nice, simple gift basket. You know I love my gift baskets, and I'm actually known here for gift baskets. So it would only make sense that I make him one for his birthday. But this is a great gift, you guys. I actually picked up some nice stuff for guys. And I'm actually making a couple more stuff. So go ahead. If it's not up, go ahead and check it out. I'll make a playlist. Don't you worry. You can always check out my playlist. I grabbed this basket from the dollar store. And the styrofoam that I put in there is also from the dollar store. The wrapping tissue is from the dollar store as well. Except the blue. The blue, I actually picked that one up at a Target clearance when they had it on clearance. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to start. And I actually picked up this this beard trimmer. This is from Philips. And look at all the accessories it comes with. I picked this up at Best Buy and it was $50. And I researched this one before I picked it up. I wanted to make sure he got one of the best beard trimmers there is out there. Because, of course, he deserves it. So this is the one I found. And the price was good because there are some beard trimmers out there that are really expensive, but not worth it. And then I picked up this shaving gel because I want the whole theme to be about the beard and the face. So this is Nivea. And then I picked up the Nivea Sensitive Post Shave Balm. So I picked these up at a Target. And I want to say they were each around $5. And then I picked up this at Walmart, these cashews. I think they were $1.50, maybe, I want to say. So I'm going to add those in there as a little bonus. And then I picked up this face wash moisturizing from Nivea as well. So he has everything he needs for his face. The tools and the products. So this is already looking very, very cute. And then I'm going to add this $25 Amazon gift card. You know I love to give out gift cards. I think gift cards are one of the best gifts out there. And I'm going to go ahead and hot glue that. So make sure your hot glue is running as well. And there you go. It's hot glued. And I hot glued it to one of those skewers. I also picked these up. You could pick these up at Walmart. Very cheap. A whole bag of them of 200 for I want to say $1.99 or $1.50. So that's that's a steal. I'm putting the basket just a little closer to me just so you guys can see the whole thing. There you go. Sorry. And then I'm actually going to go ahead and add the cashews again because I took them off to put the gift card. So I'm going to go ahead and just put them in the back. And they fit just perfect. Now this basket is nice but simple. And I like it that way. So go ahead and make him a basket of whatever he likes. And the gift card wherever he likes to go shop. And this basket is so cute. And I'm going to go ahead and wrap it up with these bags that I pick up at Dollar Tree. And you get 2 of them in the package. And of course, my favorite Dollar Tree ribbon that I always use. And I have it in blue. Go ahead and make it any color you want. But I thought the blue would look really, really nice. Especially with all the things I picked out. And here is where I'm going to wrap it. You just saw my son. He's so cute. So I'm going to go ahead and show you how I wrap it. Really quick. Make sure you pick up the basket nice so nothing tilts over, which it shouldn't though. And look at the accessories right there, so cute. So go ahead and put the basket inside the bag. grab some tape, because you know how I like to tape both of the ends of the basket together to the back. It just makes the basket just look a little fitter, you know, a little neater. I like everything looks nice and tight. So there you go. It's going to make it look really nice. Voila. Grab the top. Make sure you have your ribbon and let's tie a bow at the top. Make sure you measure your ribbon. Remember what I told you. I use the ruler and I measure it 3 times, and that is the perfect amount you will ever need for a gift basket with a bow including when you make the bow. You don't want to just waste ribbon. So go ahead and make your bow nice and tight. And that came out really, really pretty. And I'm done. I'm not going to go ahead and trim the top. I think it came out really perfect. And I'll show you right now. Look at how cute it came out. So I'm showing you my up close, you guys. And until next time, bye you guys.